Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. So to do this, you can still do this in using the YouTube application. So just open the YouTube application here. Then just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then here you will find a toggle that says Google account. So if this is the YouTube account that you want to remove, tap on that Google account here. It will take you to the Google account management page. Now from here, if you look at the top, you can see all the sorts of tab where you have to simply go to this security option here. Once you are in security, simply scroll down on the bottom. You can see this your devices. Just tap on this manage all devices, and once you tap on manage all devices, you should be able to see all this where you can simply select a list of devices you want to remove, and once done you can just simply tap on this sign out button and you will be able to sign out. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove your YouTube account from other devices. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.